In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CAPTCHA in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to protect your form from bots and automated spam using Jotform's built-in CAPTCHA. This is quick to set up and requires no external keys or complex configuration. First, open your form in Jotform and head into the Form Builder. This is where all the editing happens, and it's the place you'll add and arrange your fields. If you're already working on the form you want to protect, you're in the right spot. On the left side of the builder, look for the Form Elements panel. If you don't see it, click Add Form Element to open it. This panel is your toolbox for everything you add to the form. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. The Basic tab contains the most commonly used elements, including the one we need today. Now scroll through the list until you find the option labeled CAPTCHA. You'll notice an icon that resembles a lock next to it, which makes it easy to spot as a security element. When you see CAPTCHA, go ahead and click it. The moment you click, Jotform will automatically insert its built-in CAPTCHA into your form. There's nothing else you need to connect or configure for it to work. It's designed to be secure right out of the box. Take a moment to glance at your form and confirm the CAPTCHA has appeared. It will be placed directly in your form layout, typically following the last active field. Because it's integrated into the builder, it blends with your form's overall structure and respects your existing design choices. Adding a CAPTCHA is a smart best practice whenever your form accepts public submissions, like contact requests, registrations, or feedback. It helps keep your inbox clean by filtering out automated submissions without putting unnecessary friction on genuine users. Jotform's built-in option is lightweight and familiar, so most people will complete it quickly and move on with their submission. And that's all there is to it. You opened your form in the Form Builder, ensured the Form Elements panel was visible on the Basic tab, scrolled to find CAPTCHA, and clicked it to add Jotform's built-in protection. With those simple actions, your form now has an extra layer of security that runs quietly in the background and helps maintain the quality of your responses. Keep building the rest of your form with confidence, knowing you've added an essential safeguard against spam and bots.